In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start transcribing meetings in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn your live conversations into accurate searchable notes without having to type everything yourself. Let's start right from your Notion workspace. First, look for the meeting icon. Depending on your setup, this might appear in a dedicated meetings page, a template you're using, or a database that stores all your sessions. The meeting icon is usually a small visual marker next to each meeting entry, making it easy to spot at a glance. Take a moment to locate it in your own workspace, because this is where you'll always begin when you want to start a transcription. Once you've found that meeting section, click on the meeting icon. This opens up the area where you can either schedule something new or manage an existing meeting. Think of it as your central hub for anything related to your calls, stand-ups, or client sessions. If you're setting this up for a team, it can be helpful to pin this page or add it to your sidebar so you can access it quickly before every call. Next, you'll see the option to create a new meeting or to select one that already exists. If you are about to hop on a call and want to capture it, click on New Meeting. Give it a clear title, like the project name or the client you're speaking with, and confirm any other details you normally track, such as date or attendees. If the meeting has already been created in your database, simply select it from the list. Opening the existing meeting entry is useful when you have recurring sessions or want to keep all notes and transcripts in one place. With your meeting page open and ready, look for the button or link that says Start Transcribing. Click on Start Transcribing to begin capturing audio from your meeting. From this point on, Notion will record and convert the spoken conversation into text directly in your meeting page or in a connected transcript area. Before you begin the actual call, it's a good idea to check that everyone is comfortable being recorded and that your microphone and audio sources are working properly. Let the participants know that the meeting is being transcribed so they can speak clearly and at a normal pace. As the meeting goes on, you'll see text populate in real time or shortly after the conversation.